in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about printing your presentation in a Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top, and then go down and select Print. And then you can adjust all of your printer options and preferences over here if you want to print the PDF or add a different printer, how many copies you want to make, as well as how you want to break out on the slides, so how many pages you want per page or how many slides you want per page when you print it out. And you can also adjust the color of the pages as well if you want to do black or white or just in color or grayscale. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.